everyone. So my name is Derek. I'm the VP of Development at Appature, so technology guy. And today I'm just going to tell you the story of Appature using some really crude drawings that are representative of my true talent level. So that's something worth keeping in mind. So I'm going to rewind to 2007. In 2007, we founded the company, and we had absolutely no idea what we were going to do. Our sole purpose in starting the company was we wanted to create a company that was super awesome to work at, and that was our only goal. And we could actually get away with this. This was pretty easy because we were completely bootstrapped. So nobody can tell you that you have to actually make money. You can start a company and do absolutely nothing. You just have to be bootstrapped. The problem is eventually you'll run out of money. So at some point, you've got to go and find somebody with a problem that they're willing to pay you to solve. So in our case, we found this guy over here. He wanted to send some email. He had data all over the place. He had data silos. He had Excel spreadsheets. He had everything you could imagine. He had to put it all together in order to target effectively. And he had no way of doing that without putting 6 different vendors together and spending an absolutely absurd amount of money. So we said, hey, we can do that. We can build software and we can solve that problem. So we talked to them and we figured out, okay, this is exactly what you want to do. And we built them the perfect solution in PowerPoint, and it was awesome. And it was everything that they'd ever dreamed of. We sold them the perfect unicorn. And that was really exciting because we found somebody with a problem and we created the perfect solution. But of course, it wasn't real yet. So they liked it enough that they were willing to give us some money to actually take a crack at it. So we said, okay, we better actually build this thing. And so we set out to build this solution for them as quickly as we possibly could. And we iterated and we iterated, and eventually we came out with something that actually worked and solved their problem. And this was really, really exciting because we started off with the idea of just being a company that was super awesome to work at, and now we were a company that was super awesome to work at, and we actually did something. We made something. And we did relationship marketing for healthcare companies. We even knew what it was called at some point, which was pretty exciting. And it was really cool because we had like an infinite number of ideas. Like there was just no end to all the cool things we could think to do. Relationship marketing is infinite and endless and always changing, and really, really exciting. So we had all these ideas, but the problem is we were bootstrapped. So you can only execute strategically to a certain point. At some point, you've got to keep the lights on. And so sometimes you have to do things that you don't actually want to do. Like, for example, offer to wash people's windows. I don't know what you guys are thinking. And really, it was all about getting back to that vision, really thinking about how awesome can we make this company, and now with a product and something that we do, how awesome can we make that? So we went and got some money. So we got a couple bags of money. One had Ignition on the back and one had Madrona on the back. So thanks, guys. And they can give you money, too. I think I heard a pitch earlier. And this was really awesome because now we were an awesome company to work at. We knew what we did, and we had the ability to really execute strategically. So for the first time, we got to invest in infrastructure. So this is a detailed technical specification for our in-memory caching service, which takes queries, breaks them into fragments, stores the results, and automatically merges them and keeps things up to date as data changes in the system. We built a bunch of really cool, awesome features with super enterprisey names. This is our latest feature that we just built called Journeys, which actually lets you build kind of live campaign workflows with branching, and you could send emails and do all kinds of cool stuff. It's very, very cool. And then last month, as some of you in this room know, we joined forces, were acquired by a company called IMS Health, which probably not a lot of people in this room have heard of, but they are the undisputed king, the leader in data in the healthcare space. So they call themselves the original big data company. They have an insane amount of data, and we have an incredible opportunity as part of this new company to take our awesome technology and their incredible data asset and do really new things. So we've done relationship marketing. We've created a great company to work at. We still do both of those things, but now with access to IMS's incredible resources and their awesome data, we have the chance to do really, really cool stuff in healthcare. And you probably can predict, we are hiring. We got data, we got technology, we need you, and then we'll make that. Thank you.
36 seconds extra. That means better questions. Who's going to be first with the most awesome question ever? No pressure.
That was me. I found a Wacom tablet in a drawer somewhere, and I had some fun.
Anybody have questions about an acquisition? Does anyone here want to be bought? No? Nobody? Wow. What does it feel? The man delivered a unicorn, and you don't have a question?
We got a question back there.
What's your best seed or VC hope for a healthcare company?
Sorry, one more time.
What's your best seed or VC hope for a healthcare company?
Our best seed or VC hope for a healthcare company?
Let's say I start a small healthcare company.
Yes.
What's my best hope for seed funding or even VC? What are some specific names for healthcare?
I think that there's a lot of funds. Most of them are East Coast. In terms of the VCs that we talk to on the West Coast, they're more technology oriented. So I think if you're really about technology, you can kind of stick with the West Coast. If you really want that VC that specializes in healthcare specifically, you probably want to travel east, or if not, move your company east, because they're all over there. Yeah, but don't do that, because Seattle's the best tech community. I get
Thank you,
candy
Derek.
if I say that. Other questions? Visit our website or come talk to me if you're interested in exploring more about what we do or what we're looking for. Designers, developers, testers, all the stuff that everyone else is looking for, but we're better.
Let's hear it.